Carbon dioxide, option B oxygen, option C nitrogen, option D hydrogen. Oxygen. Yes, correct answer oxygen. Please give 10 points and is our national bird. Please stand up and give individual answer. B. Your question is, what is the solid state of water called? Option A steam, ice. Yes, your answer is correct. Correct answer is option B ice. Please give 10 points to Nilgiri House. Now the next question is for Shivalik House Group C. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Option. Audience, please be quiet. Thermometer. Yes, your answer is correct. Right answer is thermometer. 17 sheep, all but 9 died. How many are left? Option A 8, option B 9, option C 7, option D. Ready when I If the first drop of the tears come from the right eye, it's happiness. But when the first roll is from left eye, it's pain. And when they drop from both eyes, it's frustration. Isn't it amazing? Earth. Yes, your answer is right. Correct answer is Earth. Please give that option D comment. Yes, your answer is right. Correct answer is star. Group A Harani, option B 100 days, option C 365 days, option D 24 days. 365. Yes, you are absolutely correct. 365 days. You got 10 points on this correct answer. The answer is no. In the fifth round. If you want, so then you can use it in this round. Group T, Udaygiri House, this question is for you. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Yes, your answer is right. Correct answer, 3 sides. 2-digit number. Option A 1, option B 9. Audience, please be quiet. Quiet. Please maintain the silence. Option A 1, option B 9, option C 10, and option D 99. 10. Yes, your answer is correct. 10. And you got option B 401, option C 361, option D 501. Please, audience, you don't have to give the answer. C. Yes, correct answer is C 360. 60 seconds to decide a captain who will answer these questions. 780. False. Yes. Audience, please be quiet. Third, paper comes from tree. True. Yes. Fourth, a square has 4 equal sides. True. Absolutely correct. Fifth, fish breathe through lungs. False. True. False. Yes, your answer is correct. Sixth, Antarctica is a desert of ice. True. Correct. 7, spider have 8 legs. True. Correct. 8. 361 minus 144 is equal to 216. False. Yes, your answer is correct. 9. Human have 3 hearts. Human have 3 hearts. Be quick. Nilgiri House water. First question. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Right. Second. Sound travels faster than light. False. Right. 0 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. True. Correct. Sorry. The cow is a mammal. False. Sorry, your answer is incorrect. Cow is a mammal. An octagon has 8 sides. True. Yes. Planets release oxygen. Plants release oxygen. We see with our ears. Your sixth answer was wrong. Plants release oxygen. And your seventh one is correct. 8. Rectangle has 3 corners. False. Please, your answer true will be considered. It's wrong. Ninth, a leap year has 366 days. 10th, Mercury is a metal. Yes. False. Second, we get wool from sheep. True. Third, a triangle has 4 corners. False. Fourth, the sun rises in the east. True. Fifth, water has no taste and no color. False. Sorry, it's sixth, the moon is a planet. True. Sorry, it's false. Moon is not a planet. 7. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 125. True. Yes. 8. We use our nose to smell things. True. 9. Plants grow without any water. False. 10. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. True. Yes, correct. You got it. Sun is much smaller than the earth. Third, hexagon has 6 sides. Fourth, ice is the liquid form of water. False. Fifth, we have 5 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. Yes. Sixth, clouds are made of water. False. 7, sound can travel through solid wood. False. Sorry, it's true. 8, the number 0 is a positive number. False. False. It is a problem. Number 0 is a positive number. False. All birds can fly. False. Plastic is an environment friendly material. False. Correct. You got 45 points in this round. In the score, Arabi has got 85 points. Nigri got 80 points. Shifty House True. Yes. Sound travels faster in water than in air. Please. False. Sorry. Statement 4. The moon has its own light. False. Yes. Statement 5. Human hair and nails are made up of the same material. True. Yes. Statement 6. A spider is an insect. True. Sorry. Statement 7. 15 into 0 is equal to 50. False. Statement 8. Earth has 2 moons. False. Statement 9. Paper is made from trees. True. Statement 10. We use our lungs to pump blood. False. Yes. Statement 2. An ostrich's egg is bigger than its brain. Yes. Statement 3. 11 plus 22 is equal to 33. Statement 4. Whales are the largest fish in the ocean. True. Sorry, they are mammal. Statement 5. Pure water has no smell. Yes. Statement 6. An octagon has 10 sides. False. Yes, it has 8 sides. Statement 7. Sun is a planet. False. Statement 8. Rusting happens because of iron reacting with oxygen and moisture. Yes. Statement 9. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. Sorry, true. Statement 10. Every year has exactly 365 days. Yes.